Hello again, another job for interview also tomorrow, 5:31 Saturday. This is an event venue interior installation located in Chiba Prefecture. The salary for this is from 220,000 yen to 225,000 yen, and there will be bonus also. So again, this is an event venue interior installation, so located in Chiba City. So if you are willing to apply for this one, this is scheduled for interview tomorrow, 5:31 Saturday, at our office in Tokyo at Kanda Station. So for more information, you can also comment down below, or you can call our office number at 036 2068 and all the jobs that we have has visa support. So if you need a visa support, you just need to go for interview, and once you are hired, then we can change your visa to a proper working visa. Thank you.